Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Erickson TV. Curtis here with Lauren. Hello Lauren.
Hey Curtis, hey everybody.
So Lauren, we've talked about this before, and this is a recent article in the business section of the News Tribune, Tacoma. And it talks
Tacoma,
Tacoma, yes. IRS scam calls and threats heat up this summer. And I've heard of this from several clients where they're getting calls that sound very official about that are saying that there's a enforcement action from the Department of Treasury against them that they want, and basically they're trying to scare people and coerce them into sending money in is one of the schemes.
Right. Yeah.
First of all, the IRS never calls, and they'll send you at least a proposed assessment and a 30-day notice if there was an assessment. So first thing to do is hang up on those people. But and then there's another type of scam where they're sending. They might even send like some paperwork, and it'll look like official data that they want you to confirm. And basically, what they're trying to do is get enough information where they can then file a fake tax return.
Right.
So the takeaway is that, and this is nationwide, and one of the scams they talked about that 3,052 individuals fell for the dialing for dollar scam and ended up paying $15.5 million.
Wow.
Which is a huge number. So,
yeah.
So last but not least, then we've also been hearing a lot about this identity theft with, not just with scammers, but they're stealing records from very high level institutions. They're breaking in, and so what they're doing with this, we believe, is either creating false credit, or they're using this information to create false tax returns.
Right.
And I've had last year I had 4 clients that had their identity stolen, and
which is a lot.
Yeah, out of our number.
Right. Yeah.
And the tax returns were filed fraudulently early in the season.
Yep. Of course.
And so there's a workaround on that. But that being said, just be aware if you do get this phone call. First of all, do not provide any information. Hang up, and then check with us to see if it's legitimate. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely. One final point: the Department of the Treasury will never call you.
Right.
So if you get anything that's supposed to be from them, you can definitely conclude that is some sort of a scammer.
Right, I agree.
But yeah, I hear about these kind of calls all the time too, and they only get more sophisticated at pretending to be various kinds of things to try to get your information.
Right, yeah, they might have enough information to sound legitimate, but they're not going to call. So thank you for watching this episode of Erickson TV. We'll see you next time. Bye now.
See you next time.